everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have an addiction to No! You were so cute there! At least he's in the thumbnail. You guys know that I have a shopping addiction. This is an exciting haul. Ever since I started getting into YouTube, I started watching Zoella and all these British YouTubers. They always post Primark hauls. And I'm just like, look at all that stuff they get, and it's so cute. And now I get to do one of those. And I am just so excited because I want shopping at Primark. As you guys know, I live in Massachusetts. I'm close to Boston. I can take the T in. And Boston was the first ever American store for Primark. If you like hauls and you like shopping and you have an addiction, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing, and hit that subscribe button. Go do it. And follow me on all my socials. Let's just get into this haul, which I'm so excited for. I got a few things from I got an accessory, I got a home thing, I got a makeup thing, and I got some clothes. So, a little mixture. So, as you guys know, I go into Boston to meet my friend Laurie. We went to Primark. And let me just say, this Primark, 4 floors. Alright, well, one of the things that I got was this tiny little, plant guy. I don't know if you can see him. I have a little seating area in my room now, and I have this little ottoman, which I'm sitting on. And I make it my little coffee table, and I have a little tray. So I'm going to put this little guy on there. And he's from Primark Home, and he was $2.50. We walked around and we found the beauty section. And let me just tell you, that place is dangerous. I found one thing and it was very, very comparable to one of the things that I've been wanting. And this is what it is. This is the Amber Palette, $7. And what does this look like? Looks like the Urban Decay Heat. And I don't have that palette, but I've been wanting it so badly, and on Sephora.com it is $54. Your girl got it for $7. So this is what it is, what it looks like. Let me just do some swatches. Say what? Pigmented AF. I'm so excited. I need a wipe now. This palette is so goddamn pigmented. I'm flabbergasted. And I'm thinking I'm going to do a whole look on this. These shades, man. I was very excited about that. The next thing that I saw was this t-shirt. And it was $7. And I don't know if you guys know, but I am a Friends fanatic. That's all I watch on Netflix. And I found this t-shirt. Central Park! I got a size 16. I don't even know what size that is. Large me. This is probably an extra, extra large, but I needed it. I was going to put it back. My friend Laurie, she was like, you need that. So I'm so excited for this shirt. You're probably going to see it in a video soon, but I'll be probably posting this onto my Instagram. I'm just so excited. And obviously I have to wear it while I watch Friends because I feel like that's a must. I saw this one t-shirt. It was a picture, and I was like, oh, I really, really like that. And I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is what it looks like. And this was $4. $4. And I don't know what it says, but Laurie says it says very pretty. So I obviously believe her. Thank you, Laurie, for translating this. And I just see this with like black jeans and like, or blue jeans. So I've been really into trying to like get my graphic tee collection up there. So I'm very excited about this. And this would look awesome with like blue jeans and that gray sweater I just hauled in my last haul. So very excited about that. So the last and final thing that I got was a purse. Don't judge me. I know what you're thinking. Yes, I just bought a purse. I saw this and my eyes went boing out. They basically went out of my head. It is this black crossbody bag, but it looks like Gucci. From far away or like a quick glance, you'd probably think this is Gucci. And it kind of has like the same stitching here, and I don't care if the people are like, oh, that's fake. I'm like, it's from Primark. The original is like $1,000 and I got this for $9. And there's two little sections. There's a bigger section here and there is a pocket inside. I didn't even notice that when I picked it up. I picked it up and I was just like, buying it, don't care. There's a section right here where I'll probably put my cell phone. So I'm very excited about this. It's just this cute AF bag. Is that what the kids say these days? I don't know. That was, woo, my first Primark haul. Can I just say, I am just so glad this store has come to America, aka Boston. Because, thank you, England. Because this store is amazing. If you liked this video and you like Primark hauls, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, follow on my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.